So I've actually been doing a lot of fishing lately. It's just, I've even been filming, but I don't know about you guys, but the bite's just been tough. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. As you see behind me, we got the kayak, and we will be doing a little kayak fishing this morning, and I'm actually super pumped. This is my first time fishing this river, so it's literally going to be starting from here, going about a couple miles downriver. Should take a couple hours, but in the middle, there's actually an abandoned, haunted mansion. And it's pretty sweet. I'm not gonna go in there because I don't wanna trespass or anything. I'll try to get some footage of the place. I'm gonna be going after smallmouth this morning. I have tied on Whopper Plopper on one pole and then a tube jig on the other. So it should be fun out here. It's about 7 a.m. Got the river to myself all morning. And yeah, enjoy. I think we'll have 4 different rapids we'll have to get past. One we actually can't go down because it's too big, and that's right where that mansion is. See if we can get into any big smallies. Perfect morning for some topwater bites though. I wanted to come for the early morning bite because this river is really heavy with tubers, so I'd like to get out, you know, before the fish get disturbed. Oh, there we go. Oh, we popped off. Not huge, but seemed like a decent little fish. Finally some action. Gotta keep an eye on that, because that's definitely how my life would end. Not watching and hitting a rock, and then my kayak tipping. So I've actually been doing a lot of fishing lately. It's just, I've even been filming, but I don't know about you guys, but the bite's just been tough. I think we got something. So that's why I figured come to the river, find some decent little smallies. These guys are tough. Got fish number 1 of the day. Not super huge, but he wasn't small either. And that's what I'm hoping for today. It's just a nice bite. Be nice to get into some absolute monsters, but I'm just down to catch some fish. There we go. Like that. That is what I'm after. That's even a nice, these guys are vicious today. I mean, look at this guy's not giving up. He's ruthless. I'm going over here because the first rapids is coming up. Oh, this guy's fat, man. Nice 1.5 pounds, close to 2. But these fish just fight ridiculously strong, man. Ridiculous. I'll put you back, buddy. Now that is what we are looking for. I hope they get even bigger. Oh my God, I love smallmouth fishing so much. That guy hit right next to the boat too. That was epic. So if you can hear, we're coming up on rapids number 1. I'm gonna put my phone away for sure. Really hope I don't tip. I shouldn't. The water's a little high, so I don't know if I want to go down the rapids. I might go down the small side just so I get out from, because the last thing I want to do is tip. Whew. All right, I'm actually kind of nervous for this first one. Hopefully we'll be fine. It's not big at all, but this kayak can tip pretty easy. Holy crap, that was a little scary, not gonna lie. Might have to be a little more careful on them. And now I'm just gonna try and slow myself down. If I hit a rock flying around here, that'd be the end of me. And now we should be good for a little bit. Should be a promising day though. We already got 2 decent little smallies. And we just kind of started fishing. 3 blow-ups, missed 1, caught 2. But I believe the fishing's only gonna get better just because of the spots. And I think something just surfaced right up there. So maybe we'll be getting on some decent ones pretty quick. That last one we caught, that guy was fat. He had a belly on him. There's a lot of crayfish in this lake, so I wouldn't doubt if they snacked on them. There we go. Not big, but oh, that was cool. Oh, he spit it at the boat. That was cool though. Oh. Oh. One more time. Come on, buddy, take it. There's some nice sized smallies in here though. I didn't expect them to be that. Like that one even looked small and he was pretty long. Oh, there's a nice fish. Coming up on rapids number 2. It's not a strong one at all, but it's a little long. I'd hate to get going fast. All right. All right, we gotta get into a fish soon. They're still jumping. That wasn't a good stretch right there. I mean, it was decent, but. So behind me is the Novitiate. There's a lot of history on this little place. I mean, big place, but it's actually haunted. I don't know, it's just a really cool place. A lot of people go in there. It's graffitied all up, vandalized. It sucks, but there's supposed to be no trespassing, so that's why I'm not going in. But let's get the second half started. Yeah. All right, let's go. We'll get this show on the road. Dude, these spots would be deadly too if could fish them. That's probably why they're deadly. Cause I've one or two, but I always see some decent ones up in here. But it's probably because it's so hard to fish because it's so fast. Your best bet would be coming from somewhere downriver. That broke off, but that's alright. I'll tie something else on in a sec. Maybe I might just leave it off. Ooh. Ooh, that one's decent. Oh, that's a nice one. I thought he missed it. That is a big smallie. Yo, this is so much fun, man. It's a nice 17, 18. Definitely the biggest fish of the day. Probably close to 16, 17. 15, 16, 17. Got some nice mass to it. Let's get a release on this bad boy. Oh, shit. I'll try in here once. I love this. I'll have to do this more often. This was way better than I expected. I didn't realize there'd be so many big fish. I knew there'd be some down here, but upriver. I probably missed a bunch too. This river never gets fished because you can't bring a boat. The only way you could fish it is with some type of portable canoe, kayak, because you can't get down all them rapids with a boat. Smallies definitely play a little illusion with their small mouths. Their bites don't look super big. Like that guy I thought was a smaller fish. Set the hook and he boom. And then these fish are crazy once they know they're hooked. That's the funnest part. Nothing else fights like them in my opinion. They're just stronger since they're always in the current. Ooh, that's a nice one too. Oh yeah. Nothing fights better than this, dude. This is so much fun. So I'm gonna try and get on the current here. That one looks even longer. Yeah, this one's bigger. Yo, this is a pig. An absolute pig, dude. Oh my god. This one's probably closer to 20. I don't think it's 20, but definitely getting close. What a day. What a morning. Dang, that is a nice sized fish. Look at the belly on that thing. Dang. Definitely coming out here again before the season ends. What a morning it is. That is my second in this spot, at least. Fourth of the day over. That one was close to 20. That was probably my biggest smallmouth ever. And I don't know why I've never fished this spot before in the kayak. Let's see what else we can get into. I'm hoping we can get into a few more of that size. Let's go. Topwater and giant fish are my absolute favorite combination. Let's get into a couple more beasts like that. Holy shit, that was so cool. I love the fight. It's so much fun. I'm gonna cast in front of me. Ooh. Decent one, but not huge. Oh, he just came off. Damn. Let me try to... Damn, that sucks. I was horsing him too much. It's alright. That was so dope. 3 big smallie. Wish I would have caught that third, but hey, I got 2 out there. I was horsing him too much, so I got to take my time. I was just kind of trying to horse him so I could, you know, get in that spot, stay that spot. This is a perfect, it's shallow over here. That's a big one. I'm in a tree. Stay pinned, stay pinned. That's a pig. That is a giant fish. This is a giant smallmouth, man. Giant. Keep you there, buddy. I'm going to shore quick. Why have I not been doing this all summer? There we go. Another absolute stud. Look how long this fish is. Holy crap. See you, buddy. That fish is still sitting here. Make sure you... There he goes. Might have scared them all out of here. But dang, that was so dope. So many fish. They don't seem to be in this super fast water. Oh, there's one, but he was super small. At least the big ones. They're in that calmer, deeper, those holes. Oh, there's a itty bitty one. He's still after it. There's two of them. Super small. Like, here's another rapid. Maybe there's some big ones after him. Gonna hit one right there. Holy crap, that one was scary, not gonna lie. Oh, there's a big bass. I just seen him. I don't know where he went, but big one just swam underneath me a ways. Hopefully we can get into one more. The river's coming to an end soon. Well, our fishing trip. Got the truck parked at this other spot. Got him. He ain't huge, but he's a decent one. Nice, that was epic. That was dope. This guy's super red. He's pretty big, I stand corrected. I don't even know what number fish this is today, but another nice one. Let's get a release on him. Nice, buddy. One more I asked for. If we can get two, that's even better, but one more before we're done. Just caught my last fish of the day. My GoPro died. Probably a 15, 14. Not huge, but still a beaut. We're at the destination. Good ass day. Super good fishing. I'm gonna get the release and then do my outro. I lied, took one more cast. Should have stopped, but what a beautiful morning. The fact that I'm complaining about this fish. I'm gonna get a quick release on this guy and then we can get going. I'll help you, buddy. Sorry, I thought he could have got out. I don't know why I keep lying to you guys. Took one more cast. I'm really done because this is like my third outro to this video. Really hope you enjoyed today's video. It was so fun making. I'll be out here for sure. But yeah, I'm sorry I haven't been posting a lot with school starting and all the stuff going on in the world. It's just kind of getting busy, but still trying to make videos. The fishing's been tough, so that hasn't helped. But let's get a quick release, and I'll see you guys next time. Deuces.